Hello everyone, y'all probably like this. Not the first time we have Robux yet. You are right. Yet. I'm getting Robux tomorrow. It's 6 o'clock. I don't have that long until I lay my head down. Because I'm laying my head down pretty earlier. Because I cannot wait for tomorrow. It really don't take me long to have what you call sleep. So basically, I had the 2001 and now I don't. It's either 1000 or 4000. My mom would definitely not spend 99 bucks on Robux. I didn't put that down to like 50. Just saying. The things that I'm adding up so I could get, which is like really not that much. I don't know if I do math correctly, so I remember if I'm using my math. In my notes I saved. Oh yeah, I didn't save it. I'm a little slow, sorry. So basically, I forgot to save something, but I was supposed to, or I was meant to save a list with what I wanted as a YouTuber to make my thing look better. My plan is to only spend $200 to $300 on buying clothes just because I'm getting Robux. I'm getting Bloxburg, and the reason why I just wouldn't spend that much is because I was going to get 100K without working. Before y'all call me wrong and stuff, but not working. Obviously, they have it to where you could possibly get that stuff. That's why I feel like I'm not wrong for wanting stuff that you could possibly get. So the first thing I wanted to get was a stylist animation, which cost 80. They cinnamon here, which also costs 80. Don't come for me if I spend more than amount. But I know that these both cost 80. This costs 50. And I just want one little clothes. And that's pants. And I already know what it is. All I have to do is scroll down. And there it is. The Gucci Rosy Ruffle. I want that. And if I can remember what it's called. It was called the Snowball something. So the Snowball tail. Oh yeah, that's why it's a tail, because it says Snowball tail, so it's not looking tall. Anyways, let's find out where my Snowball tail is. Now, there it is, and it's called a bunny tail. But that's okay. That's spending like, maybe it'll be a little bit of 400, maybe a little bit of 300 something. Because I really do want that. I want the face. I want the freckle face for 10. And I want the braces face for 12. And that's pretty much it. All of the faces I want. And I want the nerd glasses. If you don't know what the nerd glasses are, I'm gonna show you guys the nerd glasses. All I have to do is really set it up. And boom, there it is. 30. So everything I want is cheap. Now it's just time to add it to my notes. Let's start off with the regular negative pants I do wear. The Gucci. Let's search Gucci. What else does it say? Let me pull it up a little bit. Gucci Rosy Ruffle. Rosy Ruffle. Guys, and just to make sure that it will pop up, let's put Gucci Rosy Maybe you can find something a little cheaper that's the exact same thing. The same thing but cheap. Maybe that will happen. Let's see. It pops up and whoa. I could get it cheaper. I'm glad I'm doing it this way. I'm not really just looking in the search box because I want to find something super duper more money. Because if you go just look at it by itself, it is pretty expensive. Good parents put it as sponsor video Robux. And the next thing I was dying to get is the accessories. And I'm gonna do it right. It's called a bunny tail. Now that should pop up first thing. Boom, there it is. And let's put in bunny tail. Bunny tail. That's why I know what the next thing is. And now I'll put in freckle face. Let's see if it'll pop up, and I don't. Yeah, that's a good body. Face, and there it is. So this is down here. It wasn't the most popular. Now it is, and it's probably the popularest because it's the less money. Freckle. I don't know why I pressed that slash. Freckle face. Now I know I spelled that very wrong. Now next thing are the nerd glasses. Let's go to the nerd. Where is it? Accessories. All accessories. Did I already put it in? No, I did not. That's a good thing. Nerd glasses. That's it. I'm pretty sure the nerd glasses. And the next thing I forgot to mention, I wanted the paper hat, so let's put in the paper hat. Boom, it's not even that much, it's just a regular paper hat. Which, paper hat is actually very cheap. But it's very, 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 very most favorite. It's literally, I see everybody going around with the paper hat, the holiday crown, and I'm gonna get the Robux. I'm probably gonna choose between the holiday crown with the kitty ears on the back. Wait, the holiday crown with the kitty ears, or the paper hat with the kitty ears. Cause I don't want to get both, cause then I might not look at it. Cause that's why I'm gonna go on the outfit and put it all on. So I think I'm gonna go with. I want to get the glorious unicorn, but I don't want to get that at the same time. I want to get the blue unicorn. The blue unicorn, which is very the icy unicorn headpiece. The icy unicorn headpiece, which this is very cheaper. The icy unicorn headpiece. Alright, but that's it. Then you can get the pink unicorn headband, but the glorious unicorn is the most. The unicorn, y'all might like. This is eliminate you, but let's search up my old account. Let's search up my old account. This thing. And look at my inventory, guys and girls. Do you get to look at my inventory? I think yes, you get to look at my inventory. Yes, my inventory. So go look at my inventory. This is a little creepy that Roblox allows this type of stuff. But where is my accessories? Hats. I have the Eliminate You accessories hat, maybe what as a face head model, whatever it is. It's the unicorn hat that was $1 when I got it. It was literally no damaging, nothing in my pockets, nothing in my Robux. Let's see if I can get it a little cheaper. Unicorn hat. If this is a lot of money, like I said it is, like if it's like cut up that much money, I'm gonna be super duper mad. I'm gonna wanna cry. So let's look it up. Let's look it up. Unicorn hat. I cannot spell, but unicorn hat. Let's see. Let's look at these babies. Unicorn. I'm just gonna put in unicorn because I know that this is gonna pop. Maybe not. It won't pop up because it's spelled wrong. I know unicorn's gonna. So it's gonna. Whatever it is. The unicorn beanie. The purple unicorn was more than that, but just popped up plus unicorns. The AC one that I have currently in my thing that I wanna buy, or that I might buy, I might just not, because I'm a very cheapskate when it comes to Robux and how much I want to keep. Okay, so sorry, I have to take that deep breath. I get so happy. Nobody makes these videos, so I feel like I'm a little lonely for making these videos. But hey, I'm starting something nobody uses. Ain't that's a good thing though? That's a real good thing. You know what? You need to worry about future stuff, future accessories that like this limited super duper black hair. Don't worry about all of this limited stuff that says it's 50,000, 2,000. Let's look up the violet car. You know what? I got this. Violet. Let's go back down. Violet Curry. Okay, what even is his name? I think it's altogether Curry. Violet Curry. See, I can't even spell it. Violet. It's the same way, but I can't spell it, right? It looks like I say it the way it's spelled. Y-R-E. Y-R-I-E. So now, let's search it up. You see, here's the T. You can get something similar to it for only 100, 330. You know, get something that's less than whatever you say, 50,000 limited. These are not worth it. They're really cute, but you can go into a game and get these things. So just go into a game, rock it. Well, you can rock it, girl. Go strut it. Or while you can. Now, that's a little bit of tea. Oh, why you don't want nobody to tell you otherwise. Okay, let's go to file. Let's go to, okay, so I'm gonna exit out of it. But as soon as I exit out of it, it's gonna say, do you want to save? I'm gonna say save. I'm gonna have to pause this part just because it's a lot of personal stuff. Alrighty guys, I have that are saved. So now we're gonna go around servers telling people, I'm getting Robux, you not loser. Alright guys, sorry that y'all see this little back screen. It's like a pink. Yeah, that's my background. For my desk, Windows top. I went on a couple servers, not many. My little screen recording wouldn't for some reason record on the game. So I had to do it off screen, but I went on a server, Prison Life. I went on a random server saying, wait, let's try to spell it out. I'm about to get Robux and you ain't. And so I was like, stop. Another person was like, okay. So many fails in this video makes it where I don't even want to post this video anymore. Hope y'all like this video. My max is about to come Come on. So I hope y'all like this video. If y'all did, please comment down below and subscribe. Adios, amigos. Peace.